In this video, I'm going to show you how to normalize audio in Reaper. Now to do this, first you want to select your audio item. So I'm going to go with this audio clip over here for this example. Then you want to right click it. You want to go to item processing, and then over here, the first thing up top is going to say normalize items. So you simply want to click on that, and it's going to open up this small little window over here called normalize media items. Now what you want to do from here is choose your preferred normalization method, okay? So we have things like peak over here, you have the RMS, you have the LUFS over here. There's going to be a bunch of different ones that are integrated. So what you want to do here is simply select the one that you want. So for example, I'm going to go with the peak over here, and then you can enter your target decibel or loudness value over here. So you could do, for example, -0 for peak, or you could do like something like -14 if you're using LUFS over here for streaming, etc. Okay, I'm going to go peak, I'm going to do 0, and then I'm just going to use normalize each item separately, and I'm going to hit the OK button. Now that's really all you have to do, and as you can see, your audio is going to be normalized. That's of course the easiest way to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.